Alright, going to do a quick video here on the glow assembly. I forget what it's actually called, but the glow light here, and then a brand new ignition switch over here. So if you remember before in my other videos, there was a button here. So you turn the key to on, and then you hold the button down, and you never knew how long to hold it down for, and it was just a disaster. So I figured out also this light is to let you know that your rear working lamp is on. So if you have lights in the back, just like the headlights, that's for this. So I found this brand new. I will put the part number in the video. And then also brand new Toyota ignition assembly here, because there was just a generic aftermarket one prior. So here's how this works. Key on, obviously on, and you get, it's nice because you get 3 keys, and this is really nice and tight operation. It's not loose and floppy or anything. So on is on. That just lights up all your stuff. Start, and then glow you hold to the left because it'll come back to you if you don't hold it down. So that activates the glow circuit, glow plugs, and you'll see, I don't know how long it's supposed to take. I thought it would go quicker with a brand new one in here, but typically now it's starting to heat up. It's still about 20 seconds or so compared to like the button that I used to have then, and now it's getting really warm. So then once that's done, you just go right over and it starts up. So sometimes you have to hold a little bit longer and it's not as rough idling, but either way it's working how it's supposed to now, and I'm pretty excited that I was able to find these parts, and it only took about a week through Lift Parts Warehouse again. This switch I think was like 65, and this I think was like 80 or 90 or something. But either way, it's better than the button that you have to hold down, and now I can get this back in here, mounted, and not have to worry about that anymore. So that's it. Other than that, everything's been going okay. I haven't really used the machine, but I did pick up another one, and yeah, I'll have to post some videos about that one. So that's all.